Guys, I just got some third-party Dji Fpv remote controller stick. Are they better than the regular one? I'll give you the answer in this video. First, I'm going to show you how they work, what's so special about them. Then I'll go test them and I'll tell you my final thoughts about them. So let me show you. This one you can, extend like the golden part and like screw up like the silver part. So this way you have, can you see the difference? So is longer better. First of all, let me tell you, I had no problem with original sticks. I just wanted to know how they perform. To me, there are three FPV pilots categories: thumbers, pinchers, and hybrid pinchers. Who are these aftermarket sticks for? Pinchers and hybrid pinchers. So I recommend them 100%, but you need to extend those sticks at a level that's convenient for you. Thumbers who have big hands and long fingers like me, I didn't feel the need to extend them because honestly I don't think I would be like more comfortable this way. Cinematic FPV pilot. If you plan like to fly cinematic, this is the way to go, because with these aftermarket sticks, which are longer, your movements will be more precise, progressive, and smoother. And it will take you more time to go from one position to another one, which is why it's more precise. Who are these aftermarket sticks? Not for thumbers, especially if you have small hands. I would advise you to keep the original ones. It would be like more convenient for you. And the second category, it's not for, I think, our race and freestyle FPV pilots. I think the original DJI FPV sticks for your remote controller are more convenient, because the smaller they are, the more convenient it's going to be for you to have like aggressive movements. Please note that these aftermarket sticks are not enough to improve your flight skills, and you definitely need to practice over and over. There's one thing that I don't like about them, is that they don't fit in the remote controller like the original ones, as they are bigger, okay? And don't forget to commit these sticks with your DJI FPV rates, because what works for me might not work for you, so just give it a try. But I'll talk to you about DJI FPV rates in the next video. Cheers!